Lilian Raven Clothing has so many different types of services. Every single item, from your hair, we do wigs, we do clothing, we do jewelry, we do shoes. That's what makes us so unique. Custom head to toe. We teach sewing classes to kids and adults. The actual skill of it is kind of dying out. So we decided a few years ago that we wanted to start teaching it in communities, in schools. The classes are small so that people can get that individual attention. Hi, I'm Lilian from Lilian Raven Clothing, and we are a custom head-to-toe one-stop shop. We will teach you how to make your own custom clothing, or we will make custom clothing for you. If you're interested in hair, wigs, clothing, jewelry, shoes, we do it all here. Sewing classes also. Come and check us out and see what we're about.